Hi, I'm Harper.
Ciao Meva. So Harper, we are going to make obviously a pasta dish. So the name of this pasta is pasta alla norcina. Norcina means from Norcia.
I've never heard of it.
Bad for you, Harper, because in Norcia they made amazing sausages, amazing prosciutto, amazing cold cuts, so bad for you, I should take you there.
I assume that's why we have a sausage in front of us, right?
Yes, unfortunately this is not from Norcia, but what we can do?
Before we begin, a quick shout out to a pasta grammarian in action.
Who made an amazing ciabatta bread. Maybe better than mine, so bravi!
If you want to become a pasta grammarian, then hit that subscribe button and let's get cooking.
So Harper, what do you have in front of you?
Quite a few yummy looking things. We have pasta, obviously, going with penne, huh?
We are going to use penne, but the traditional recipe required for strangozzi. Strangozzi is a pasta that resembles like the peachy, is a very thick homemade spaghetti, but I don't want you to make the fresh pasta, so we are going with penne, that is one of the two, or strangozzi or penne.
We've got onion and garlic, which is a rare combo for you.
But pasta alla norcina requires both.
A sausage, of course. We've got Parmigiano, salt, pepper, olive oil, white wine, and then, because it's next to the Parmigiano, I'm gonna assume pecorino.
Yeah.
And some ricotta cheese.
Okay, just few words about the ricotta, because a lot of restaurants in Italy, they make this pasta dish with cream. The original one, it was made with ricotta cheese. Nowadays you find, let's say, 50% ricotta cheese, 50% cream. Personally, I love ricotta cheese. I don't like cream at all, so we go with ricotta cheese. But if you like more cream, feel free to use cream.
Works for me, because I'm a ricotta fiend.
So Harper, the first step is peel the garlic.
Okay. Before I met you, I would always just smash the garlic to peel it.
But now you learn that you can peel the garlic without any problem. And remember, divide the garlic into,
take
see, the germ out of the garlic. Because we want the flavor of the garlic, but we don't want a garlicky dish.
Okay, germs removed.
Perfetto,
Into the
put
pan.
here. Now cut a quarter of onion. We need it finely chopped.
Like diced.
See, very thin. Harper, are you crying this time?
It's not so bad because I have my glasses on. I saw that onion and I went and put on my glasses. That is actually what happened.
So for the next time, I should make a gift for you.
Goggles?
Sì, bravo Harper, that is used for the swimming pool. I saw several people using it, so it seems pretty good. Yes, we can use it. So place the onion in the pan. So Harper, garlic, onion, we miss
Olive oil.
olive oil. So pour some olive oil.
Some.
Perfect. Not too much because we are going to use the sausage, and the sausage usually has fat inside. So right now what we need is to heat up a little bit our olive oil. Once it starts to warm up, it's important that we take out the garlic, because the garlic did his job at that moment.
The tiniest little hint of garlic.
Work on the sausages, which means open the sausages, because we don't need the skin, we need just the meat inside.
Oh, okay. Ugh. Squeeze it out like that?
See?
That's oddly satisfying to do. Okay, the onion's sizzling away.
Perfect. This is the time to remove the garlic.
Right.
Send the garlic away.
Get out of here.
Now is the time in which you take the meat and put the meat there. It's very important to
break it up. Something tells me you thought about how much I love sausage pastas when you decided to make this recipe.
No, actually, no. I don't
No.
think. No, actually, no.
No, I wasn't thinking about you at all.
No, I wasn't thinking about you at all. I was thinking about a good, simple, traditional plate of pasta, easy to make. But yes, it's also for people who love sausages. Why not? We need our sausages just brown a little bit. There are several versions of this pasta dish because when you go to Italy and you ask for pasta alla norcina, sometimes you can find this pasta also with mushroom. Sometimes you can find this pasta without sausages but with truffle. There is a lot of confusion, even in Italy. The traditional recipe is made with sausages and ricotta cheese, and it's called pasta alla norcina because the norcini, they were people from Norcia who were the master of treating pork meat. So it's a pasta dish based on pork meat. Then during the course of the year, because in Norcia you can find also very delicious mushroom, delicious truffle, they start to add something, to substitute something, but this is the real one.
Okay, I'm not seeing any pink left.
Perfect. Now we need some white wine. That's okay.
All right.
In the meantime, we need to put our pasta in the water.
Oh. Oh, and look at that. You've got it simmering away there for me.
I know, Harper, I'm too good with you.
I don't even need you to tell me what to do next.
I hope so. After 2 years.
Time to salt the pasta water, and it should taste like the sea. Okay, can I add the pasta?
Add the pasta in.
Now with the sauce here, are you actually looking for like all the liquid to evaporate or just the alcohol?
Just the alcohol needs
Okay.
to evaporate. And when you don't smell the alcohol anymore, and I bet in 1 minute, 1 minute and a half, be ready with the ricotta cheese.
Okay, I don't really smell the alcohol anymore.
Okay, so if you don't smell the alcohol anymore, salt and pepper.
Okay.
Now you are going to add the ricotta cheese.
Just straight into the pan?
See, but the heat it needs to be low.
Lower.
Lower the heat.
Okay.
Put the ricotta cheese inside. I started rolling.
Me too.
I started rolling. And add some pasta water. Perfect. Put there. Mix.
Ricotta sauces are just so good. This recipe is very much tailored for me. Ricotta and sausage.
So Taddeo, I should take you to Norcia when we are back in Italy. They know 1 or 2 things about meat and cheese and mushroom and pasta. So traditionally, they add Parmigiano. But because our ricotta is not sheep ricotta, because I couldn't find sheep ricotta, we are going to add some pecorino.
Oh, so you had some sheep cheese to make it more sheepy.
Bravo Harper, bravo Harper.
Tell me when.
I think that is
That
enough.
good?
Stir a little bit.
I have a feeling though that your opinion is that one can add as much pecorino as you like.
The rule about cheese is always the same. There is never too much. So now that all our ingredients for the sauce are ready, we should try and see if maybe we need more salt and more cheese.
More cheese?
Perfetto. Keep stirring. And you know what, Harper? Our sauce is completely cooked. It's ready.
It's ready?
It's ready.
That was easy.
I know. So turn off the heat completely. We wait until the pasta is very al dente because, as always, we will finish the pasta
In the
here in the pan, and then we're done. Usually, to my taste, I take it out 3-4 minutes before.
Okay, I think the pasta's about 3 minutes out. Yeah,
The salt?
salt's good.
Okay, perfect.
There we go. Okay.
So, mix.
Smells good.
I know, Harper, it smells very, very good. And this dish took me back to the period when I was living in Umbria. So I had a lot of pasta alla norcina, and I was very lucky because in Umbria you find amazing product. Except, I'm sorry, Umbrian friends, for bread. It's the only thing that you can't eat in Umbria. I'm sorry, Umbrian friends. All the rest is amazing, but the bread...
There's a funny reason for that too.
Yes, they don't put salt in. I know it's about the taxes, about when Umbria was part of the Vatican State, because the Pope imposed taxes on the salt. They decide to not pay taxes to avoid to put salt in their bread. But I need to tell you one thing, friends from Umbria and also from Tuscany. Right now, there isn't any more Vatican State. So it's pretty cheap, the salt in Italy. So maybe it's time to change a little bit. Try the pasta and see if the pasta is cooked.
Okay.
Because the only way is always try your pasta.
Actually, yes, I would have thought it needed more time. It's perfect al
It's
dente.
perfect. So it's done.
Okay. Ready to plate?
Ready to plate.
Pasta and sausage and ricotta. It's my lucky day.
Pasta alla norcina, Harper. The pasta has a name. A fork for you, a fork for me.
And buon appetito.
Buon appetito!
It's as good as all of those elements together should be.
It's a plate of pasta. Simple to make. Creamy without cream. Delicious, simple. I don't know what can I say more. Just cook it, guys. You will discover a new favorite. So
Yeah, really easy to make. Highly recommend trying this one. Guys, we hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you'd like to learn how to make homemade pasta, then check out Ava's complete guide. The link will be down in the description below. Give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and we'll see you next time.
ciao.
Ciao.